Ready to amplify your crypto trading game? This video breaks down how to leverage trade on Crypto.com exchange, a powerful tool that can significantly boost your potential returns, but also comes with increased risk. First, let's find where to access leverage trading. Log into your Crypto.com exchange account and navigate to the trade section. Make sure you've passed the necessary KYC verification levels required for margin trading. You'll see available leverage ratios. These act as multipliers for your trading capital. For example, using 2x leverage turns every $100 into $200 worth of trading power. Understand that higher leverage magnifies both gains and losses. To leverage trade, you'll need to provide collateral, which is the crypto you commit to back your borrowed funds. The exchange calculates a liquidation price. If your trade goes against you and reaches this price, your position is automatically closed to prevent further losses. Watch this price closely. Crypto.com offers two margin types: cross and isolated. Cross margin utilizes all available funds in your margin account as collateral, which can be riskier but allows trades to stay open longer. Isolated margin limits the collateral to a specific trade, reducing the risk to your entire account balance. Utilize advanced order types like stop loss and take profit orders. Stop loss automatically closes your position if the price drops to a certain level, limiting potential losses. Take profit does the opposite, securing profits when the price reaches your desired target. Risk management is crucial. Start with smaller positions and lower leverage until you're comfortable. Monitor your trades consistently and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Stay updated on market news and adjust your strategy as needed. Explore chart analysis tools and indicators on the platform to identify potential trading opportunities and make informed decisions. Leverage trading is a powerful tool, but responsible risk management is the key to long-term success on the Crypto.com exchange. Good luck trading.